بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Sink. A sink is a large fixed container in a kitchen, with taps to supply water. It is mainly used for washing dishes.
Utensil. Utensils are tools or objects that you use in order to help you to cook or to do other tasks in your home.
Casserole. A casserole or a casserole dish is a large heavy container with a lid. You cook casseroles and other dishes in it.
Wok. A wok is a large bowl-shaped pan which is used for Chinese-style cooking.
Bowl. A bowl is a round container with a wide uncovered top. Some kinds of bowl are used, for example, for serving or eating food from, or in cooking, while other larger kinds are used for washing or cleaning.
Basket. A basket is a stiff container that is used for carrying or storing objects. Baskets are made from thin strips of materials such as straw, plastic, or wire woven together.
Colander. A colander is a container in the shape of a bowl with holes in it which you wash or drain food in.
Churn. A vessel or machine in which cream or whole milk is vigorously agitated to produce butter.
Cruet. A cruet is a small container, or set of containers, for salt, pepper, or mustard which is used at meals.
Mortar. A mortar is a bowl in which you can crush things such as herbs, spices, or grain using a rod called a pestle.
pan. A pan is a round metal container with a long handle, which is used for cooking things in, usually on top of a cooker or stove.
Match. A match is a small wooden stick with a substance on one end that produces a flame when you rub it along the rough side of a matchbox.
Stove. A stove is a piece of equipment which provides heat, either for cooking or for heating a room.
Plate. A plate is a round or oval flat dish that is used to hold food.
Bucket. A bucket is a round metal or plastic container with a handle attached to its sides. Buckets are often used for holding and carrying water.
Sack. A sack is a large bag made of rough woven material. Sacks are used to carry or store things such as vegetables or coal.
Rolling pin. A rolling pin is a cylinder that you roll backwards and forwards over uncooked pastry in order to make the pastry flat.
Strainer. A strainer is an object with holes which you pour a liquid through in order to separate the liquid from the solids in it.
Chopsticks. Chopsticks are a pair of thin sticks which people in Asia use to eat their food.
Bread basket. A basket for carrying bread or rolls.
Grater. A grater is a kitchen tool which has a rough surface that you use for cutting food into very small pieces.
Teapot. A teapot is a container with a lid, a handle, and a spout, used for making and serving tea.
Napkin. A napkin is a square of cloth or paper that you use when you are eating to protect your clothes, or to wipe your mouth or hands.
Fork. A fork is a tool used for eating food which has a row of 3 or 4 long metal points at the end.
Spatula. A spatula is an object like a knife with a wide, flat blade. Spatulas are used in cooking.
Cleaver. A cleaver is a knife with a large square blade, used for chopping meat or vegetables.
Wooden spoon. A wooden spoon is a spoon that is used for stirring sauces and for mixing ingredients in cooking. It is made of wood and has a long handle.
Pressure cooker. A strong hermetically sealed pot in which food may be cooked quickly under pressure at a temperature above the normal boiling point of water.
Chopping board. A wooden or plastic board used for chopping vegetables, meat etc. on.
Spoon. A spoon is an object used for eating, stirring, and serving food. One end of it is shaped like a shallow bowl and it has a long handle.
Apron. An apron is a piece of clothing that you put on over the front of your normal clothes and tie round your waist, especially when you are cooking, in order to prevent your clothes from getting dirty.
Tray. A tray is a flat piece of wood, plastic, or metal, which usually has raised edges and which is used for carrying things, especially food and drinks.
Ladle. A ladle is a large, round, deep spoon with a long handle, used for serving soup, stew, or sauce.
Griddle. A griddle is a round, flat, heavy piece of metal without surface which is placed on a cooker or fire and used for cooking.
Bottle opener. A bottle opener is a metal device for removing caps or tops from bottles.
Tongs. Tongs are a tool that you use to grip and pick up objects that you do not want to touch. They consist of two long narrow pieces of metal joined together at one end.
Saucer. A saucer is a small curved plate on which you stand a cup.
Kitchen foil. Aluminium foil used in cooking or storing food.
Skimmer. A flat perforated spoon used for skimming fat from liquids.
Peeler. A peeler is a special tool used for removing the skin from fruit and vegetables.
Cup. A cup is a small round container that you drink from. Cups usually have handles and are made from china or plastic.
Mug. A mug is a large deep cup with straight sides and a handle, used for hot drinks.
Knife. A knife is a tool for cutting or a weapon and consists of a flat piece of metal with a sharp edge on the end of a handle.
Thermos. A thermos flask, or in American English thermos bottle, is a container which is used to keep hot drinks hot or cold drinks cold. It has two thin shiny glass walls with no air between them.
Lemon squeezer. A lemon squeezer is an object used for squeezing juice out of lemons and oranges.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.